Wall Street's main indexes ended higher on Wednesday as Lyft and Uber rallied, while Nvidia displaced Alphabet as the world's fourth most valuable company. The Dow gained 0.4%, the S&P 500 climbed nearly 1%, and the Nasdaq added 1.3%. Shares of Nvidia rose 2.5%, giving the company a market capitalization of more than $1.8 trillion and edging out Alphabet for fourth place globally. Wednesday's gains came one day after the chipmaker surpassed Amazon for the number 5 spot and just days ahead of its quarterly earnings report. So is Nvidia worth such a high valuation?
Well, that certainly is the million-dollar question.
Liz Miller, president of Summit Place Financial Advisors, calls the chipmaker a great company with good margins, but has a warning for investors.
There's no question they are the leader and in the sweet spot to benefit from this big move to artificial intelligence. We've been owners of Nvidia for a very, very long time. And I think the one thing we need to remind everyone, it's not a new stock. This move is not atypical in their history. If you look at a very long-term history of Nvidia, it has often been this volatile, just soaring and then crashing.
Among other movers, shares of Lyft soared 35% after its profit beat estimates, and it said it would generate positive free cash flow for the first time in 2024. The gains came one day after an error in the company's earnings statement sent the stock seesawing in after-hours trading, potentially inviting regulatory or legal scrutiny. Rival Uber surged almost 15% to a record high, boosted by a $7 billion share buyback plan. And shares of Supermicro jumped more than 11%, adding to recent AI-related gains for the server equipment seller.